Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see the similarities between Java and C Sharp. So if you are that type of people who is confused, which language should you choose? So I will be telling you in this video all the similarities, all the points that Java and C Sharp share with each other. So if you are new to the channel, just hit the like and subscribe button and share this video as much as possible. So without a further delay, let's start. So the first thing first, in the left side I opened Eclipse, means Java, and on the right side I opened Visual Studio 2022, and I will be doing C Sharp on the right side, and then left side I will be doing Java. So you can see here with your own eyes, like everything is in front of you. So the first thing first, be it Java, be it C Sharp, be it lots of other coding language, your code start from main method. Your code, whenever you hit the enter button, you start to compiling your code. The compiler will search where is the main method in your code. If the compiler is not able to find the main method, then your code will not going to run and it will give you a error. It will definitely give you an error. So main method, let's talk about main method. This is the starting point. So here first talk about Java main method. Okay, so here on the left side, here see, public static void main string array of arguments, and here curly bracket start and curly bracket close. This is the main method. Whenever you write some piece of code and start running it, it will definitely find the main method first. This is the starting point where your code start to compile. So what is this public, what is the static, what is void, what is main? All these things we will be discussing after in this video, later point of time. Just see, this is how we write the main method in Java. Public, the public is access specifier. This means this method is public and accessible in all the classes. So public static void main string argument. Okay, so this is how we write the main method in Java. Now talk about C Sharp. Here you can see the similarities between these two method. If you ask me where is public, you can add it, no worries. Public static void main string argument. Not even a single word is changed here. Not even a single word. Just compare this. The first one, public, here also public. Static void main, here also static void main. String array of arguments, string array of argument. Curly braces start and close, and here also curly braces start and close. So this is how these two languages similar with each other. So we already saw how the main method is look like in Java and C Sharp both. So the first point is main method. Let's I already wrote a point here. Let's paste this. All the executions start from main method, and main method of Java and C Sharp is exactly same. Okay, now we are going to see how to give comment in Java. So what is comment? Comment is like if you write a piece of code, and after a later point of time you want to access that code and you forget what did you wrote. So this is like a rough work. This is like a notes. Like here, if I want to write something, like if I gonna to print hello world, if I want to print this statement, and I don't know. I'm a beginner. I write this piece of code, and by taking a reference, so I might forget it in the future point of time. So I want to give a comment so that my compiler will ignore that line. Okay, compiler always ignore comment. Comment is for just like a sticky notes type thing. It is helpful, but it is not considered in your piece of code. It will not give you an error, but it is helpful for you. if you wrote a piece of code and you want to share this piece of code with your teammates, and you don't want him to ask you all those questions, what is this, why is this, why did you wrote this, so you don't want to give him explanation on call, so just write a comment beside the code, so he can read it, and all those his queries get resolved by reading that comment. So how to give a comment in Java? So comment is of two type. In Java, C Sharp, both in both language, comment is of two type. First, first one is single line comment, and second one is multi-line comment. Multi-line comment. So in Java and C Sharp both single line comment and multi-line comment. How to give a single line comment? We will give single line comment in Java. First talk about in Java like this. We will give two slash and then hey, how are you? I am a comment. This is a single line comment in Java. So now we are going to give a single line comment in C Sharp. So how to give single line comment in C Sharp? Exactly in a similar way. Hey, I am a comment in C Sharp. See, this is how these two languages similar. This level of similarities between Java and C Sharp. See, this is the single line comment. Now we are going to talk about multi-line comment. Let's cut this thing from here and paste this here. Okay. Now in multi-line comment, we will do things like this. The slash star again star slash, and between these two stars we will give our comment. So hey, I am multi line comment in Java. Java. So you can guess in C sharp we will be doing things similar. So how to give multi-line comment in C sharp? Exactly same. C sharp. So this is how much similar is C sharp with Java. So this is how we give single line comment and multi-line comment. Now let's do this in code. So let's give single line comment. How to give single line comment? Double slash, then write anything. It is not going to hinder or it is not going to occur any error. So if I write random thing, this is not give me an error. So if I try to run this code, see, hello world, hello world. So compiler ignore this line. Compiler always ignore comment. Now talk about C sharp. C sharp, if I going to write similar thing, hello world, and if I give some single line comment here, this is not giving me an error, and this will never give me an error. So start without debugging. We are not going to debug this thing right now. So the project is building. See here, hello world. And now the comment is fully ignored. Let's talk about one difference. In Java, we print the statement by using system.out.println, and then whatever we want to print, we will write things in here. But in C sharp, we are going to do things like this. Instead of system.out.println, we write console.writeLine, and this much is similar. Whatever you want to print, you are going to write in this bracket. So these are the two similarities we discussed. Now we will be talking about another similarities, that is the most important topic, looping concept. So in Java we will be using for loop, and in C sharp we will also use for loop. So how much similar is for loop from Java to C sharp? So what are the similarities? So first take, like if I take a number int a is equal to 3. Okay, so the syntax of for loop in Java, first see the syntax, then we will do the code. So this is the very important topic for loop. Okay, so here in Java, what is the syntax of for loop is, first for bracket, here I am going to declare or initialize a variable. Okay, initialization of a variable, semicolon, after that condition, semicolon, after that increment, increment. So this is the syntax of for loop in Java, and there bracket start and bracket close. This is the for loop in syntax in Java. Now in C sharp the things is really similar to whatever you have seen in this line. So in C sharp the things is really exactly similar to Java. So this is how we do for loop in C sharp, and this is how we do for loop in Java. So nothing different here. The syntax is same, the increment, initialization, condition, increment, everything is same. So let's see it in the code. So first we are going to open Eclipse and do this thing in Java. So here I declare a variable, that is integer data type a is equal to 3. Okay, so I'm going to write a for loop. I'm going to write a for loop. So first thing is initialization. So I will initialize a local variable int I is equal to 0. The second is, what is the second one? The second one is condition. So I am going to give some condition to I. I will be less than equal to 3. My A. No, I'm not gonna hard code value. So A. Okay. So the A value is 3, and I am going to give this a here. Now the last one is increment. So I plus plus here. This is how we write for loop in Java. So here I am going to print I. Okay. Here I am going to print I. So let's see the output, what it is going to give me. Here this hello world, ignore this because this line is also compiling system.out.print. If you don't want to compile this line, if you don't want to see this line, what you are going to do, you have answer in front of you guys. In look at this screen here, we already saw that compiler will ignore the comment. So I don't want this line. I want my compiler to ignore this line also, so I will give it a as a comment. So now I'm gonna run this again. So here 0 1 2 3. Why 0 1 2 3 here? Because first I initialize I as a 0. See here 0. Then it check the condition. If is 0 is less than equal to 3. Yes, obviously 0 is less than 3. So condition fulfilling. So it will come down and print 0. Then it will go back to here. Now the value of I is I plus plus, means the value of I is increased by 1. So the value of I is 1. Here now the value of I is 1. Now it will go again and check that if 1 is less than equal to 3. Yes, obviously 1 is less than 3. Not equal to, but less than 3. So it is again fulfilling the condition. So it will come down and print here 1. So again it will go up and change the value to I plus plus, means it will change the I value from 1 to 2. Plus plus means increase the value by 1. So now the I value is 2. So it will again come and check, is 2 less than equal to 3? Yes, 2 is less than equal to 3. not equal to but less than 3. So condition is again fulfilling, so it will come and print 2. So here it will go up again, and now the value of I is 3. So it will here I the value is 3, so it will check is 3 is less than equal to 3, not less than but equal to 3. 3 is equal to 3, so it will come and down and print 3. So 0 1 2 3. This is how we write for loop in Java. Now in C sharp we will just copy this code and paste it in C sharp. It will not going to give me an error. See guys, this is how much similarities between Java and C sharp. Here just one line is giving me the error. You know why? Because in C sharp we are not going to print statement by system.out.println. System is we're not going to do things like this. We will be doing console.writeLine. Just copy it from here and wait, paste it here. Now your code will work perfectly fine. Here if I going to print this debug and start without debugging, so you can see here the output is 0 1 2 3. The output is same, whatever the output we got in Java, here the output is same. You can look at this. And here also, if you want to ignore this hello world line, what you are going to do, you are going to comment it out. So how to comment it out? See like this. So I forgot that I never told you how to give multi-line comment. I never give you an example, right? So here I want, this is from line 11 to line 15. This much code I want to comment out. So I want to comment out from line 11 or line 10 to line number 15. So this is 1 2 3 4 5. So this is more than one line. Okay, so here we are going to use multi-line comment. So how to give multi-line comment? Again, just remember slash backslash star, and here also where you want to end, I want to end it here. So backslash and star. So all these line is commented by my single click. So I don't have to give for each line like this, like this, like this. I don't have to do this. I will just do the way that I did earlier. Backslash star. Just as simple as that. So in C sharp, you are going to give multi-line comment here also. So similar thing, backslash star, and here star and backslash. So here your code is commented out. So now what have we seen till now? Till now we see how to give single line comment, how to give multi-line comment, and what is the syntax of for loop. So now the thing we are going to say is the syntax of switch case. How to give switch case in Java. So the third one is switch case. Here this is also very important. I am covering the important topic from Java and C sharp, switch case. So this in this video you will going to really understand how these thing works. So here the syntax of switch case is very similar. First we are going to give a expression. Here let me give you an example. Here see, first I declare a variable. So my example is for I'm going to give you an example. I have already a variable declared here, so just copy it and paste it here. So I declared a variable name is day. Let's suppose variable name is day. This is the basic example that you will find. So let's understand from the beginning. I declared a variable integer data type, and my variable name is day and the value is 3. Okay, now I am going to use the switch case. Switch, simple as that. And in this bracket I am going to give my variable. So what is my variable? Day. So I am going to give here day. If my variable is night, then I am going to give night. Whatever the name of your variable is, you are going to write it here. So and now curly bracket start and curly bracket close. This is the simplest way. This is the way how you give uh, switch case. How you This is the syntax of the switch case. Now case 1. Here what is my value in my variable 3? So at least I have to make 3 cases. So okay. So case 1 is here Monday. Okay, Monday. Now I am going to give break. So within 1 or 2 minutes I will tell you what is this break also. So here now case 2. Okay, case 2. Here again I am going to give Tuesday. Okay, now again break. Here case 3. Okay, here we are going to give Wednesday. Right. Now let's take one more case. Case 4. I forget to give break. I don't forget. I This is how I'm going to tell you why and what is the use of break. Wait. Here I'm going to give Thursday. Okay. So now I'm going to give here a break. You will see what is the going to what will be the effect if I don't give break here. You are going to see within a few minutes and you will understand that what is the use of break. Now I'm going to give here a default. So in default you can give any case, like this is not a case, you will just give anything like okay. So this is how we are going to now we are going to run this program. So here my case is 3, my value is 3, so it will go to case number 1. It will check, is this 3? No. Is this 3? No. Is this 3? Yes. Case 3 is equal to 3. So it is directly going to print me Wednesday. But the break is not here. Just see, break is not here. So it is not going to stop. So after when it is printed 3 Wednesday, then it will come to case number 4 and then print Thursday also. And then it will break the cases here. So this is how the break works. So let's run the program Java application. Here see, my case is only 3. So I don't want this fourth value. I want case 3 Wednesday. But here why it is giving me the fourth value also? Because the break is not here. I forgot to give a break here. So that's why after fulfilling my demand, after completing the case, it still going further and it will go further till he occurs the break. So if I give break here, so it will give me only my case number 3. So what happen if I change my case to 2? So what will be the result? Here see, Tuesday, case 2. First it will come and check, is this case 2? No. Is this case 2? Yes. So it will enter inside the case. Now system.out.println, here it will print Tuesday and then it will come out and check, is there any break? If there is not break, then it will go to case 3 directly. Okay. Here see, Wednesday. Then he come out and check if there is a break or not. If there is a break, then stop. If there is not break, so go to case 4. So if I remove break from here also, see, Thursday. So this is how break works. So we have to give a break so that many other things, whatever the things we want, it only print us. It only give us those things. So how we are going to do this in C sharp. So we will just copy this code. We will just copy this code directly and paste it in Visual Studio and see what are the error that it gives us. So see here, nothing, just the print statement, just the print statement. If I if I copy console dot write line from here and if I paste it here, the error is gone. If I paste it here also, the error is gone again. Now again, see how similar is the syntax. You just focus on this, guys. The syntax of Java and C sharp is really very similar. You can check this. Wait, cannot forward switch from final case level default. Here we will not going to give final default. Let's try to give final. What is this? This is not taking. So I will tell you why. But here, just first see the similarities. Then we are not going to discuss any differences here. We will be picking the similarities only. So this video is for similarities only. I already told you. So see how much similar these two languages are. So here console.writeline. If you are going to print, if you are going to run this application, what are you going to get? Here your value is 2, so you will be getting Tuesday. So here let's see what is the output. See here Tuesday. And if you remove the break from case 2 also, so what it is going to give you the output, you can understand. It is going to give you here. See, there were build error, would you like to continue and run? Here if you remove the break, okay, if you remove the break in C sharp, so it is going to give you an error. Okay, so we are going to put the break where it was. So now again multi-line. So for yeah, have you understand what did I say? So the switch case statement, the switch case syntax is really similar. And how to control shift, wait, so we will be here giving the multi-line comment. Why is this happening? Wait. Here we will comment this line out and we will be moving forward to another line. Okay. So here, so now the another thing is what we are going to see is we are going to see the another example. We already saw the for loop, we already saw the switch case, and what we will be seeing is we will be seeing the another thing, that is how to compare two string. How to compare two string. Suppose I have a string. Okay, I have a string data type variable, that is name1 is equal to Harry. Okay, Harry. And I have another string name2 is equal to Potter. So I have a condition here. By taking this example, I can make you understand the if else concept of Java and the if else concept of C sharp also. And another thing, we will be able to compare the two string, uh, how it works in Java and how it works in C sharp. So by taking this example, I will make you understand the two topics. Okay, suppose I have two string. First one is Harry, second one is Potter. So my condition is, now we are going to give the conditional statement, that is if else. My condition is my name one, if my name1 equals k equals name2, then print print hey, else print by. So uh, are you able to understand what am I saying? See here, I have two string, okay, name1 and name2. So I have a condition here. If my name1 is equal to name2, then say hi. If my name1 does not match with name2, then say bye. So it is obvious that this is not going to match, so the output will be bye. So here, if I say like this, if my name1 is not equal to name2, if I want to give condition here, if I want to give condition here that if my name1 is not equal to name2, then print hey. Okay, if my name1 is equal to name2, then print by. So what we are going to do here, the condition is name1 equal to name2 na, but I want to change it, name1 does not equal to name2, so I will give a exclamation marks here. If my name1 is not equal to name2, then print hey. So the output will be hey now, hey. So do you able to see what I am telling here? My condition was remove this. This is bit confusing for you guys. Remove this. See, just look here. If my name1 equals to name2, then print hey. This is the condition, as simple as that. If my name1 matches name2, then print hey. But now I want to make a change. My condition is if my name1 is not equal to name2, then print hey. So how to write this condition? Equal to we write like this, but not equal to how can we write? So we will be adding exclamation mark here. Now as simple as that. So this is how we do things in Java. So now let's copy this code and come in Visual Studio. We will be seeing how it works in C Sharp. So here what it is giving me an error. So here what we will going to do is now just remove this. I have two string. So if my name1 here not equal to name2, console dot write line hi, this is how it is suggesting me. So let's see, here I did not write this the Visual Studio was suggesting me. So is there any build error? Yes, there is build error and extra bracket. So now yes, it is not why I started debugging. He's here he hi, see here hi. So why it is giving me an high not equal to I give like this. So why if I want to give it like this, so does it give me an error? So make it small, and now here cut this dot equals bracket name to bracket. So and here not equal to. Will it give me an error? No. Will it give me an output? Yes. This is how we will do, and this is how we will do in Java, and this is how we will do in C Sharp. Both of these are really exactly similar. If I print this, see here, the output will be same. Hi. Why it was suggesting me another thing earlier, and why it is suggesting me this thing this time? Because I make the string s is small. Here see, this is in blue color. If I make it capital, this is in little bit greenish color. So why is this happening? See here, why is this happening? Here class system string, And now if I change it to this here, class system string, here you guys have to tell me why. I already give you both example, making it capital, making it small, by not equal to directly like integer data type, and by using dot equals also. Okay, so you guys have to tell me what is the difference between this small string, means small s wala string, and what is the difference between that capital S wala string, why both are different with each other. So this is the all the important things, all the major things that you are going to do as a beginner. So I gave you the similarities. The syntax are really very similar. The minor changes are there, and at least somewhere the minor changes is there. But for most of the places, like nothing need to be changed. So I hope you like the video and hit the like and subscribe button and share this video. And if you want to make me more video like this, more comparison video, mention me in the comment. I will be personally revert you back. So bye bye, we will be meeting in the next video. Bye.